Hey everyone, how are you? My name is Emma and I'm sure you've seen a million makeup tutorials on the interwebs, but I have been a makeup artist since I was 23 and I am now 34 and a half, so I thought why not just add another video to the sphere of the web, especially during COVID-19. I've never been a big tutorial person. That's never really been my forte, but I hope this gives you a little bit of joy and inspiration for the trying times that we're in right now, because you know what, even though it's a pandemic and it would be easy to say, why try, why put makeup on, why do my hair, why get dressed? Well, sometimes the only reason is because it's fun and it's important to have fun. Like for me, makeup is one of the most fun things in life. I don't know, playing dress up, seeing how you look in different ways. And oh, there's some paint I've been painting for my art class. But anyway, so I don't wear makeup a lot right now because obviously we're in a pandemic, so I'm not going out, but there are days where I put makeup on just because it's fun. Also, if you are someone that's single and maybe doing a little bit of online dating right now, yeah, put makeup on. Why not? This is what I would be doing if I were to be doing, makeup with a mask on. Hey, what do you see when you have your mask on? Eyes. You don't see your lips. Let's focus on the eyes. What I want to lead this tutorial in is I want to lead it in color theory. I'm going to be going by the skin tones that we have and our eye color, because really right now with this pandemic, it's all about the eyes. I want to start with the brows. This is my my brow stuff. It's like a gel. It's liquid. I also sometimes use powder for my brows, but lately this has just been what I've been using. Most people's brows just need to either be filled in because maybe they're a little bit patchy, or maybe depending on their hair color, if they've dyed their hair and their natural brow doesn't quite align, you might want to use a pencil to alter the color a little bit. But I've got some dye in my hair. I actually dyed it myself with some box dye, and I'm okay having darker brows than hair. To me, it's like kind of a blonde power look. So I'm just going with this taupe color, which is really the sort of my natural eyebrow color. But I just fill in a little bit because it gets a little patchy. What's next? Okay, well, as I'm looking at myself in the screen, I see I have a little bit of discoloration on my forehead. No big deal. That's what concealer's for, right? This stuff I have here is by Wet n Wild. It was probably, I don't know, $5. I love a good cream stick because it's concentrated, so you don't have to work that hard. And the cool thing about this pandemic, we don't have to work that hard with our looks here. We're not out for hours. We don't have to worry about touch-ups that much. Chances are if we're doing our makeup, we're doing it for a Zoom call or a quick trip to the grocery store. I'm literally just gonna put a tiny bit of this on my forehead where I have the blemish. And I know it's a small blemish, but it's a blemish, so hello! So I'm just applying it where it needs to be applied. And then I just kind of like blend the outside. So now it's gone. And normally, pre-pandemic, I don't just put coverage over a zit and let it go. I powder it because that sets it. So here's some loose powder. I went back to school about 4 years ago, so I've been a student. I'm getting my degree to be an art teacher. As much as I love makeup, I had kind of wanted to be an art teacher as well. So I don't have a lot of money right now. My kit is small and it's inexpensive. I'm buying a lot of drugstore makeup and I'm okay with that. You know, when I'm on set, I try to, and I'm working with a professional, I try to buy high-end beauty products and makeup, but right now that's really hasn't been where my life has been. This is just a Q-tip and some loose powder. And what this does is it sets the spot coverage that you just did with your concealer. So then you're going to want to take just a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to flick away